Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic is effective communication through body language. Communication skills can be called the mother of all soft skills. In all soft skills, communication skills can be described as mother of soft skills. They play a vital role in every walk of life. Success of any individual largely depends on communication skills. Man is the only species gifted with language, message. When we learn to translate every event of life into a positive one, you stop being prisoner of past and become designer of future. Verbal communication skills are oral communication skills and written communication skills. If words are used, that is either verbal communication, that is written communication, or oral communication. Oral communication skills, let us discuss. 1. Informal oral communication skills. Among family members, close friends, relatives, we use informal communication skills, oral communication skills. 2. Formal oral communication skills. Presentations, interviews, meetings, dealing with the people known as formal oral communication skills. Oral communication saves lot of time, money, energy, and on-the-spot acceptance or rejection. Let us see written communication skills. Letters, memos, reports are known as written communication skills. Let us see non-verbal communication skills. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. These non-verbal communication skills are universal form of communication. We are judged by our first impressions. Receiver has chance of misinterpreting what speaker said. Symbols, gestures, signs, the way how we dress, etc. are non-verbal communication skills. Body language, that is facial expressions, hand gestures, tone and pitch of voice, smell, this is body language. Face-to-face communication, what is it? Body language is 55%, we know it. Voice tonality is 38%, we know it. Words 7%. This all we learned in earlier lectures. Body language is the spinal cord of communication. Body language prevails over words. In verbal communication, the unit is word. In non-verbal communication, the unit is gesture. For verbal communication, word. For non-verbal communication, gesture. Non-cognitive signals, eye contact, nodding while listening, smile, these gestures make your communication effective. Gesture is non-vocal bodily movement intended to express meaning. Physical expressions like waving, pointing, touching, slouching, drooping are forms of non-verbal communication. Kinesics is study of body movement and expression. Body language is also called kinesics. I am giving the meanings of kinesics now. Movement of hands Clenched hands means determination. Palm gestures. Open palm gestures, openness, frankness. Handshakes. Normal handshake, day-to-day behavior. Fingertip handshake with ladies due to shyness. Finger movements. Pointed index finger means when heated arguments. V sign. Politicians flash fingers in V form after getting victory in elections. Eye contact. Feeling of trust. Staring eyes. Threatening attitude. Too little eye contact indicates shyness. Facial expressions. Smile means friendliness. A frown means discontent. Raising the eyebrows means disbelief. Tightening the jaw muscles. Antagonism. Hostility. Tactile communication. Tactile means touch. Communication through touch, that is non-verbal communication. If properly used, more than dozens of words. If improperly used, can build barriers and cause mistrust. Personal space. Play space between yourself and others. Body language must match with words so that listener can receive our message correctly. Master the language skills. Use concrete words in place of the abstract. Be a good listener. Respect and accept others' point of view. Never enforce only your point of view. Acquire cross-cultural knowledge of gestures. Communication is playing a dominant role in today's world of globalization, privatization, and liberalization. Visualization of the world as a global village is possible with the effective use of communication. Before closing this lecture, I'll give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills or soft skills. There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They are all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.